Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how I deep clean my washer. The drain filter collects threads and small objects left in the laundry. Check regularly that the filter is clean to ensure smooth running of your washing machine. I open the cover cap and pull out the hose. Unplug the drain plug and put a container under to collect the drained water. While the water is draining, I remove and wash the dispenser drawer by using a disinfectant spray, a sponge, and an old toothbrush because detergent and fabric softener may build up in there.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping now.
The next thing to clean is the drawer opening.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
I put an old towel under the washer to absorb the extra water that can come out of the filter cavity, then unscrew the filter. There is a lot of gunk that can accumulate there over time. I clean the filter, the cover cap, and the filter cavity using that old toothbrush. The frequency of cleaning your washer depends of how frequently you are using it. If you have a big or a small family, how many loads of laundry you do a week.
Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I
The next step is to wipe the drum and the rubber seal with a microfiber cloth and white vinegar. I clean the inner parts of that seal and everything is disinfected, odorized, cleaned.
first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't
gas cleaner to wipe all the exterior and the door, then buff it dry. My washer never gets very dirty or smelly because I always leave the door open, especially after I'm done doing a load. This way I prevent moisture from building up that can create mold and bad odors. I remove my laundry as quickly as I can when I hear the signal. I immediately move it to the dryer. That also prevents odor, bacteria, moisture. I make sure I'm using the right laundry detergent and the right amount of it for the load, for the amount of clothes I'm washing. I put back everything, and now I will give you the genius hack. A specialist in washing machine repair told me that what I have to do to keep my washer clean, odor-free, well-functioning, limescale-free, extend the life of it is to simply run one clean cycle a month with a bottle of vinegar. Most of the washers have a tub clean cycle. Run that cycle once a month with a bottle of white vinegar and you will never have to use anti-limescale products or call the service. That will clean your machine, allowing you to clean your clothes properly. I hope you guys found this video helpful and I hope you cleaned your washer today. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in my next video. Bye!